What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the download pending error you are getting on your Android device when downloading or updating an app from the Google Play Store. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. This tutorial will be demonstrated on the BlueStacks Android emulator and should work on any Android OS version. So first of all, navigate to your settings. Here, go to Apps and Notifications, and in the All Apps list, select Google Play Store. Here, go to Permissions and make sure that the SMS and telephone permissions are enabled. Next, go back and in the Storage section of your Google Play Store, select to clear the data and cache. This should allow you to download apps from the Google Play Store. In case it's still not working, go back to the All Apps section, select this burger menu, and go to Show System to show all system apps. Here, search for your download manager and select it. Select storage and again here, clear the cache and download data. I hope this helped you out, leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.